JD Cap 26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we've got the Polar Lights Haunted Manor Model Kit Series, the Grave Robber's Demise. These are pretty good detailed kits, and they're fun to do, and they have some action to them. So I'm going to show you only the parts that I run into trouble with in the build. I'll show you the back of this, and it's 4.5 inches tall, the figures, and it's a very detailed, nice color to it as far as the coloring of the artwork on it. So I just opened it, and I'm going to look inside. Here's the instructions, and look at that. In the other kit, the vampire one, I didn't get the rubber band, so I had to guess which rubber band to use. And this is all glow-in-the-dark parts. Let me show you some of the instructions here. Here's some more of the instructions. Important part of the instructions right here. Remember, look for this small piece right here. Don't lose that. It's on the spiel. Okay, these are the hinges right here. Okay, right here are these little blocks. You have to put glue in between these 2 points here, and then put the thing on there. Leave it open on this end so you can snap the lid on. Here's a little trick here. You put the rubber band in the center here, and you go in through the bottom, and you hook it around here. Okay, don't glue the rubber band, you know, when you put the two halves together. Drop the arms in there right, loose, and then you're going to put this cover over on top of that. Okay. Hey guys, so I got it together here, and this guy I had to get his hands so they go with the thumbs, you know, always the thumbs up right here, and you got to put that rubber band in there. I got the coffin to hinge, his little hat, that's his hat, looks like a walnut, 2 pieces that go together, and inside is the mechanism. The rubber band is on there. I'm going to have to do some compounding of the figures, just to make them, you know, look really finished. But make sure you line up, you get the shovel lined up with the arms when you put the arms on. You could put the shovel through both arms and then glue the arms on. That may save you a little time. You're gonna have to hold it, you know, and let it dry. Because you can paint the shovel without it, you know, like that in the in his hands like that. So what next has to be done is I have to compound, and I have to give it a primer coat, the whole thing, because I'm not going to keep it in glow in the dark. I like to paint my models. Maybe some parts, maybe his hands, the guy in here, this little guy here. So I thank you for watching. There's a lot of good tips in the manual, so look at the manual and follow it. And probably has a painting guide in there too. I didn't notice, but it'll help you out. Those are the handles over there for the coffin, to put on the side of the coffin. So I hope you like this video. Sorry I can't show it to you in action. I'll show it to you in action maybe when it's done. And have a nice day. Please give me the thumbs up and rate and subscribe. It helps me out. And we'll see you in the next video. Probably the painting one when it's all done. Thanks for watching.